Dallas is known for its vibrant culture, beautiful neighborhoods, and dynamic weather patterns. From the intense summer heat to the occasional spring thunderstorms, homeowners in Dallas face a variety of challenges when it comes to keeping their homes safe and comfortable. One of the most effective ways to protect your home from harsh weather is by installing storm-resistant windows. Storm-resistant windows are designed to withstand the impact of high winds, hail, and other severe weather conditions, ensuring your home stays secure and energy efficient even during extreme weather events. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of storm-resistant windows and why they're a wise investment for Dallas homeowners looking to protect their property from unpredictable storms. Protection from high winds and flying debris. One of the primary reasons to install storm-resistant windows is to safeguard your home from the destructive power of high winds and flying debris. Dallas residents, especially those in areas prone to severe thunderstorms or tornadoes, understand the importance of preparing for extreme weather events. Storm-resistant windows are built to withstand intense winds, often rated to handle wind speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. These windows use reinforced glass and a stronger frame to minimize the risk of breakage. The laminated glass used in storm-resistant windows is designed to remain intact even if it's struck by debris, keeping shards from flying into your home and protecting your family from injury. By choosing storm-resistant windows, you add an essential layer of protection to your home, helping to keep your windows intact and reduce the potential for storm-related damage. Increased energy efficiency during extreme weather. Dallas residents know how unpredictable the weather can be, with scorching hot summers and cold, windy winters. During extreme weather events, your windows play a critical role in regulating indoor temperatures. Storm-resistant windows are specifically designed to provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. Storm-resistant windows often come with multi-pane glass and argon gas insulation, which helps reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. These windows provide better insulation than traditional single-pane windows, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This insulation is particularly valuable during severe weather when your HVAC system is working harder to keep up with temperature fluctuations. By installing storm-resistant windows, you can lower your energy bills while maintaining a comfortable living space year-round. Noise reduction from storms and other weather events. Another often overlooked benefit of storm-resistant windows is their ability to reduce external noise. During a storm, the sound of wind, rain, and hail can be overwhelming. With storm-resistant windows, the laminated glass and multi-layer construction act as a buffer, significantly reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. For homeowners who live in areas with frequent storms or noisy weather events, storm-resistant windows offer a quieter, more peaceful environment inside the home. Whether you're trying to get a good night's sleep during a thunderstorm or just want to enjoy a calm and serene indoor atmosphere, these windows help block out disruptive noises. Enhanced security during storms and beyond. Storm-resistant windows not only protect your home from weather damage but also provide an added layer of security. These windows are built with stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms that make it harder for intruders to break in. This added durability makes storm-resistant windows an excellent choice for enhancing both storm protection and home security. During a storm, the last thing you want is to worry about the safety of your home. Storm-resistant windows provide peace of mind, knowing that your windows are less likely to be damaged by flying debris or high winds. Additionally, their enhanced security features help keep your home safe from potential break-ins, offering protection during and after a storm. Durability and long-term investment. While storm-resistant windows may come with a higher upfront cost compared to standard windows, they are a worthwhile long-term investment. Built to withstand the elements, these windows are highly durable and require little maintenance. They are designed to last for decades, providing lasting protection against storms, extreme weather, and potential security threats. By choosing storm-resistant windows, you're investing in the longevity of your home. These windows not only protect your property from immediate storm damage but also help increase the overall value of your home. In the long run, the durability and reliability of storm-resistant windows make them an excellent investment for homeowners who want to ensure their home's protection against future weather events. Increase home value and appeal. Homes that are equipped with storm-resistant windows are often seen as more valuable, especially by buyers who are concerned with durability and safety during storms. These windows are a great selling point if you decide to sell your home in the future, as they show potential buyers that your home is well prepared for extreme weather conditions. Additionally, storm-resistant windows can enhance your home's curb appeal. With their sleek design and high-quality construction, these windows can modernize the exterior of your home while providing functional benefits. Conclusion. Investing in storm-resistant windows is a smart choice for Dallas homeowners who want to protect their homes from harsh weather while enhancing energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Whether you're preparing for the next big storm or simply want to improve your home's overall resilience, storm-resistant windows provide superior protection and long-term value. With their ability to withstand high winds, flying debris, and extreme temperatures, these windows are a crucial investment in your home's safety and well-being. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and protect your home from the unpredictable weather in Dallas, reach out to a trusted local window installation expert to learn more about your options for storm-resistant windows. With the right windows, you can rest easy knowing your home is ready for whatever the weather may bring.